Whether it's furnace repair on a chilly day, AC repair when summer hits, or just boosting indoor air quality, Comfort Solutions keeps your home comfy all year round. Serving Victor, Corvallis, Hamilton, and Pinesdale, we're right around the corner when you need quick, reliable HVAC service or emergency HVAC services fast. From heating installation to full HVAC system replacement, our friendly, reliable pros have you covered. Looking for a local HVAC contractor you can trust? Comfort Solutions is here to help. Call for info. We're ready whenever you are.